Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to turn your existing knowledge into passive income by creating an automated video course business today. Your skills can become your income. You can share your expertise and transform what you know into digital products. This is done through an automated system, allowing you to earn while you sleep with hands-free delivery. There are many powerful benefits. You can launch a business, enjoy a simple setup with zero tech skills, create unlimited modules, and receive weekly payouts. You already have what it takes. Any skill can become a profitable course. Whether it's cooking, fitness, marketing, or music, your knowledge has value, and people are ready to pay for it. We guide you through a 100% automated customer journey, from purchase and instant access to learning. This automated process ensures you earn effortlessly. Steps 1 and 2 cover the journey from purchase to access. First, the customer buys the course through your automated system. Second, they receive instant confirmation and an access link automatically in seconds. Steps 3 and 4 focus on learning and applying the knowledge. Students get instant access to modules, including videos and guides. They can then start learning by following clear, step-by-step instructions. Steps 5 through 8 cover how you create and earn. You create and upload content using free tools, set up a payment gateway, integrate platforms, and start earning weekly payouts automatically. Everything you need is included. Free creation tools for PPTs and videos, AI marketing for promotion, easy video management, and simple payment gateway setup. Ready to start? You need a YouTube account for content hosting, a Gmail ID, a bank account for earnings, and KYC documents for verification. Start building your automated income today.